What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's topic, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apex Legends cross progression not showing up. First, you need to know that cross progression is still rolling out to players. So if you haven't received a cross progression prompt, it is possible that your account is not yet eligible to have this. But if you are eligible to have this and still having the issue to get it to work, I will share things that you can try to resolve this issue. First thing is to make sure that you have linked all of the accounts that you want to use for cross progression. To do this, go over to the EA account website and click on the Connections tab. Then connect all the accounts. Second thing is to make sure that you are using the latest version of Apex Legends. Third, try to restart your game and also your computer or the device that you are using. Fourth, try to log out your EA account and then log in again to troubleshoot it. But if the issue persists, then try to unlink and relink your accounts. Note that by doing this, it will reset your cross progression progress. After doing all of this and still getting the issue, then make time to contact a customer support of Apex Legends for their assistance. One last thing is that you need to make sure that you are using the same EA account on all the platforms that you want to use cross progression. Then your EA account must be a verified one, and that's about it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.